This problem is based on grading system. The table given on the slide gives the marks recorded scored by 6 candidates of an engineering college in 4 subjects: digital system, analog system, power electronics and microprocessors. Each subject is assigned a credit as mentioned in bracket along with the subject name as shown in the table below. Arihant got 78 marks in digital system and the credit for digital system is 4. He got 34 marks in analog system and credit for the same is 2. Similarly, credit for power electronics is 3 and Arihant got 63 marks. Similarly, we can check the marks obtained by other students. The grade assigned to a student is in a subject is based on the marks scored by him in that subject, and each grade is assigned a distinct point. Now it is talking about grade. Grade is given based on the marks obtained. Like if somebody gets 80 or more marks, he gets grade A in that subject. If somebody gets a mark between 65 and 80, including 65 and excluding 80, one gets grade B. Grade A stands for 5 marks, grade B stands for 4 marks, and so on. The CGPA of a student is calculated using the following formula. Formula is credit for a particular subject and point received for the grade obtained in that subject upon summation of credits. So first of all, we need to write down grades for a person before calculating his CGPA. 78 gives a grade of B. So let's calculate the grade of CGPA of Arihant. So let's find grade for him in different subjects. In analogous system, his marks is 34, which means his grade has to be E. In power electronics, his grade will be C, and in microprocessor it will be B. As per the given formula, his CGPA will be credit in digital system, which is 4, into mark are points given for the grade in that subject. B fetches 4 points, so 4 into 4 plus credit into grade point. E fetches exactly 1 point plus 3 into grade point. Grade point for C is 3 plus 6 into grade point for B, which is 4, and this is equal to 51, 24 plus 9, 33 plus 2, 35 plus 16, 51 upon the sum of the credits, which is 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6, 15. Therefore his CGPA is 51 upon 15. This is equal to 3.4. This is CGPA of Arihant. Similarly, we can find the CGPA of Gopal, and it is equal to 3.8. CGPA of Nitin is 3.47. CGPA of Gaurav is 2.6. CGPA of Prabhakaran is 2.6, and that of Saurabh is 2.53. So these are the CGPA of the 6 students. let's move to the questions. In the first question, it is asking the name of the students who got the same CGPA are. From the CGPA obtained, it can be noted that Gaurav and Prabhakaran got the same CGPA. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. In the next question, it is asking who got the highest CGPA. The highest CGPA is obtained by Gopal, which means option none of these, because Gopal is not given among the other options. In next question, it is given that except the student who got the highest CGPA among these 6 students, everybody applied for checking and each one of them got their marks increase in one or more subjects. One of them got K more marks in total after rechecking, and his CGPA became the highest. What is the smallest possible value of K? So first of all, let's check the CGPA. The highest CGPA of is Gaurav, which is 57.15, and the second highest is of Nitin, which is 52.15, and next one is of Arihant, which is 3.4. This can also be written as 51/15. The other CGPA is very less, so in order to minimize the value of K, we need to consider the CGPA of Nitin and Arihant. Nitin's, if manages value of credit, summation of credit into points received 58, he'll become the person with highest CGPA, which means he needs additional 6 of summations credit point into point received. So let's check the cases which can increase his CGPA. If he gets 5 more marks in digital system, his value of credit into point will increase by 5, as at present this value is 4, that is credit into point received for the grade that he has at present in digital system, which is grade B. Consequently, the point is 416. If his points become or marks becomes 80 in digital system, his grade will become A, which fetches 5 point, and along with credit this will make 20. So there is an increase of 4 in the value of credit into points received. And if he manages 3 more marks in power electronics, his value for credit into point will increase by 4 again. So the required increase that he needs in the value of credit into point will be managed through the increase of 5 marks in digital system and 3 marks in power electronics, so he needs at least 8 marks in order to get the highest CGPA. Let's check the case of Arihant. Arihant needs 2 marks in order to increase his value of credit into point by 4, and if he manages two more marks in power electronics, his CGPA, which is at present is 3 into 3, that is 9, will become 3 into 4, that is 12. So there will be an increase of 3 more in the value of CR into P. So there will be increase of 7, and he just requires an increase of 7 only. So in case Arihant gets 4 additional marks, 2 in digital system and 2 in power electronics, his CGPA will be the maximum. Hence the required value of K is 4. Therefore option A is the correct answer. In the last question, it is asking what is the CGPA of Gaurav. The CGPA of Gaurav is 2.6, which is option B.